Okay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muffin and today I am doing Faux Locs on myself. They're kind of long. Yeah. So I got, how many did though? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 more to go. I really think I only have enough for 6, but I have some blonde Marley hair that I'll use for one of my braids. Although I really prefer for it to be black. I'm so sad. But I'm just gonna do this. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do it on this braid, the blonde one, like right here. And I'm gonna do it in live motion for the first one. The rest I'll speed up after that. And I'll explain while I'm doing it, so I don't have to do a voiceover. All right, so we have this braid, and I'm doing the crochet method. So I'm gonna use the crochet hook. Really, I'm about to just do this one, it doesn't matter. It was already coming undone, so. Okay. So you're gonna take, this is actually Cuban twist hair, and it's 24 inches each side. So total 48 inches, but we're using 28 inches. We're gonna stick the crochet needle with the latch open in. You're gonna take like the end, fold it over. Well, this is how I do it. As long as it gets latched on completely, close the latch, pull it through, unhook the latch, guide the hair. I bring it like that far down from my real hair because I plan on adding one more branch of hair to it. And then I just start wrapping. Now what you want to do is make sure that you kind of pull through the side that you're wrapping so that it lays flat. You don't want it to be rolled up like, I don't know, I can't even do it now because I'm so used to rolling it flat. But you don't want those spiral flat. Spiral wraps. You want it to be smooth and flat all the way around and not bumpy or individual. Like you can see where each wrap is going around. See how it's so smooth you can't even tell? So, and then you just wrap all the way down as far as you can. I'll probably just do 2 in regular motion. I'm gonna add, I really wanted to stop wherever my lock actually stops, so that's where the last one for this will stop. So I'll pull it up just a little bit. And then I said pull through it just to make it flat. And then you're going to continue wrapping down. See, fucking around with y'all, I done made it tight, and I've been monitoring, making sure I didn't make them too tight. And I'm sitting here fucking with y'all, trying to do it all right, and made this shit tight. Now, I didn't do small sections because I don't want that much hair on my head. I don't want it to be that heavy. So that's the real reason why it's not, whatever. Alright, and then I branch it, split it, however I need to do to get a full 3 branches. It doesn't have to be long. and I only braid for about an inch. Because you're braiding with Marley hair, it is going to stay in place. And this is where I will be melting the hair, but since it's joined together from here, when I melt it, it will infuse it so that sometimes, I don't know if y'all know, but like at the tip, when you're just wrapping, you burn it, it can burn the ends enough, but sometimes because it's spiraled, it could just pull off the end and then it'll start unraveling. If you've had Faux Locs and you probably had that experience, I think this is the best option because I'm joining both the center part of the lock with the outside part of the lock. And then when I go to actually braid it, when I go to actually melt it, it'll be melted from both the inside and the outside. That way it won't just pull off. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I hope you guys understood what I just said. And hopefully when I start melting, you could probably understand that a little bit better. But yeah, so this is the last one I'm gonna do explaining. And then, shoot, let me just start over. And then after that, I'm just gonna go into fast speed. And that way, this video is not 3 days long. So as you can see, open latch slid it through the base of the of my real hair braid. This is my real hair. I swear I cut my hair. Why is it still this? But anyway, so open latch goes in, hook it, close latch, pull it through, slide it down some a little past my hair, and you take it, brush through this side so that it lays flat, and start wrapping. And this is the actual speed that it takes me to do it, each one. And to make sure it stays tight and consistent, you can slide it up just to make sure it doesn't unravel again. So I'm just flattening it all the way around. Surprisingly, guys, I started this at 2, maybe less than 2, like 2 something. And I'm finishing it all in the same day. Normally, I never finish my hair. Never, because I'm too lazy. All right, slide it back down, at least to where the lock stops, and then come through again, because you want it to be consistently flat. I might not have to pull it through all the way. Just keep pull it back. And then just wrap down as far as you can. Smooth it out if it starts to look a little uneven. And it's starting to roll up or bunch up, you want to just flatten it back out, stretch it out. And then just wrap all the way down. I got the horses in the back. Now, when you get to a point like this where you feel like the hair is running low and you don't want to use another piece because it's going to waste, and this is thinner, so it's okay for the ends to be a little thinner, I just comb that other side out and wrap it around the longer end because I know this is fuller, so it'll give me a better coverage than what I actually have right now. And then from there, I braid it back up. And that way I have somewhere to burn it. It's time to let it go. See? So I was thinking to just wrap these and curl them and dip them in some hot water and have like goddess locks, but to be honest, I really don't like them. I want regular locks. That's what I want.
I'm easy, I'm never turned down, never turned down, never turned down. I'm easy, I'm never turned down, never turned down, never turned down. I'm easy, I'm never turned down, never turned down, never turned down. I'm easy, I'm never turned down, never turned down, never turned down, down.
So I'm done. Okay, so like I predicted, I have one left, so I'm probably gonna make that a different color with some riley hair that I already have. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I melt the ends. I'm not gonna do this one because I might find some hair left over that I might want to extend this one. Yeah. So this one's perfect. This is a small little cheap iron that I got from the beauty supply store, and it's hot enough to melt this, and it's easier, it goes faster, and you also don't have to worry about the fumes in the air from using a lighter. So it is going to be a little bit more shinier. So I mean, if you want, you go back over with a lighter just to take the shine off, but I'm not really that picky. Basically, I'm just melting it. Just melt it. You can go over a little bit of the end just so that you're sure. Roll it. Confirm it's good. So, yeah. And this will be your end. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Placing it where the braid ends. So like where I started, there's a braid. I'm just placing it where the braid is. And I'm rotating it kind of in the same direction that I already was twisting it. That way it closes off naturally with it melting. And then I just go back over the last little bit and roll it together. And it's starting to get hard on this one. Like when it's soft, it's still kind of soft when it's hot. So you can't really tell that it's solid. It's gonna melt, and once it dries, it'll be pretty hard. Like I don't know how to, y'all can't feel it, so. And really and truly, these are kind of really flexible compared to some that I've done before with just braiding hair. Alright, so with the braiding hair and the cord instead of me just using Marley hair for the full thing. Rotate it. Rotate it off. Go just a little higher on it. Unroll it. And I guess consider just because you want to cut more. But, and I don't want mine all the same length because when it's all the same length, it looks kind of bulky at that line. So I kind of just like them kind of naturally up and down, up and down. So same thing here. Melt it with braids. And then just open and close on it and twist at the same time. That's what I do. See, there we go. Ooh, sorry, boo. And if there's some nice and done, and I want you to be my bitch. Alrighty. And you're walking out college. Okay, so I'm probably gonna dip them. I'm not gonna show that. I'm only gonna dip maybe just like up to here because it's pretty flowy. I just want them to be a little bit more flexible, just a little bit. But they're really kind of good right now. So I'm not gonna dip them right this second. I might dip them like later on or whatever. But honestly, y'all, I love them. This is how long they are. I always do like this dumb long. But as y'all can see, these are them. I'm gonna dip them so they're a little bit more flowy, and for this one, I'm gonna make it a blonde one. So I feel like that would be okay. Since all of my hair is black and I'm blonde, I think that would be okay since my complexion or whatever. It'll just go with my complexion. So I'm thinking about braiding them up to get a crinkle tomorrow because I kind of want them to be crinkly. Or I might dip them, no, but I do want them to be crinkly. So before I even do the dip, I might just rock them crinkly and just doing like the center and crinkle them up to like this. So tomorrow they'll be kind of like wavy, like so a little bit already. Since they're not dipped, it takes the shape better. But if I leave them in that style for a minute, it'll take it even better. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and you were able to learn something from this video. I'm going to be I'll be throwing in some pictures of this with me a little bit better done up or whatever, and the actual blonde one. So thank you again for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, to these get a little messier so they look more Rastafarian. They look so clean right now. I can make them get like messy. So like the parties look too clean, and it's like, yeah, why would you have so much space in between? Because when it gets messy, it's gonna look real. So, and I don't want all that hair in my head every like this would have been for this. For most people, they would have split this section in half. That means there'll be two of these right here. I don't want all that hair. I kind of like it just being a natural fullness, a natural consistency or thickness of locks. And it's not that much work when you have larger sections. That's why I went for the thicker style anyway. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Talk little motherfuckers.
Never turn down, never turn down. I'm easy, I'm never turned down, never turn down, never turn down. I'm easy, I'm never turned down, never turn down, never turn down, down.